The doorbell rang, sharp and insistent, echoing through the empty house. Julia paused mid-step, heart pounding. It was nearly midnight, and rain tapped the windows in nervous rhythms. She peered through the peephole, nothing but her dimly lit porch, slick with water. The bell shrieked again, louder, vibrating in her bones. She flicked on the outside light. The bulb flickered, casting long shadows, but no one stood there. Still, the bell screamed, its chime relentless, mechanical, unnatural. Julia's breath fogged in the hallway. She backed away, pressing herself against the wall as the ringing drilled deeper, relentless and mocking. Then, it stopped. The house seemed to exhale, settling into a heavy hush. Julia edged forward, hand trembling on the knob. The air behind her shifted. She caught a whisper of cold, a breath against her neck, colder than the storm outside. Frozen, she dared not turn around. The doorbell resumed, slower now, each ring a heartbeat. She realized the sound wasn't coming from the door but from within the house, and the cold breath at her ear whispered, "You shouldn't have answered."